Alright, I'm Julia, and our question was number 7, which was that David has 400 yards of fencing and wants to enclose a rectangular area. So what we did is we first drew a box to show the rectangular area, and we named one of the sides X. And if this side is X, also the parallel side would also be X. So then we tried to figure out what the other side length would be, and we took the total yards of the fencing and then subtracted the 2 X's from the other sides, and then because you have to put that on 2 different sides, we divided it by 2. So then for part A, finding the area as a function of the width W, we know that area is length times width. So what we did is we took instead of X, we put W in as X, and so it's X times the side length, which could also be reduced down to 200 minus X. And then when you replace W in for X, you get this. And then distributing the W, this is the area that you get.
So then the second part was asking the largest that you could have W. So what we did was we did negative B over 2A, and so then you just plug in the numbers. So it was, since it's the opposite of B, it's negative 200 over 2 times negative 1, which gives you negative 200 over negative 2, and the negatives cancel out to give you 100 yards. Part C was asking for the largest area that you could have, and since we already solved for negative B over 2A, which is your X value, you just plug it back into the problem, the original problem. So you put 100 into the original problem, which was 200 times W minus W squared, and this is plugging it back in, and then your answer is 10,000 yards squared.